So this launch is a bit different. This is something that me and Fergal have been working on in the background and testing and getting good results with. And so rather than just be a kind of random piece of PLR, this is based on something that works. So that gives you a really good head start. This is 1,200 viral Facebook posts, and they're viral because they're carefully crafted. They're all questions, and they're all questions in, broadly speaking, the finance niche. So that's make money, invest in Bitcoin, crypto, all that kind of stuff. It's all about money, and they're questions that are designed to get a response and generate engagement. So first off, you've got 1,200 of these, all done for you, all brand new, never seen before, ready to go with full PLR rights. That's private label rights. That means that they're yours to do what you like with. So the minute that you buy these, it is your product. You can rename it, rebrand it, repackage it. You can do what you like. But the important thing is with PLR, when you sell it, it's yours. So you keep every single penny you make. That's why it's so exciting. But in this particular offer, we don't just give you 1,200 images, 1,200 posts. They're 1,200 posts that are tried and tested and proven to work for a start. You get private label rights, plus you get the training. And the training is not just how to sell these, it is how to sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, Standstore, but this is the little pièce de la résistance, guys. The training is also how to use these on Facebook. And did you know that Facebook pay creators for posting? And that is why Fergal was testing this out in the first place. So this is based on what we're doing, what we're testing, and what we know works. And now we've put it together as a special PLR offer. So you've got so many different ways for this to make you money. And we're kicking it off at just $5. But the price rises with every sale. And you know, when I do a launch, that's the way it goes. It's no bullshit. It does go up with every sale. So the sooner you get in, the better the deal you get. But look, even if you're paying over $10 for this package, you're still getting incredible value because you've got these 1,200 done for you viral posts, and you've got the PLR rights, and you've got the training on how to use the posts, how to get monetized on Facebook using them. So how to use them to generate engagement and build your following and get traffic, and how to sell this package itself. And that's often something that's missing. You know, I know you guys reach out to me and say, well, I've got them, but what do I do now? Well, this is it. This is everything that you need, all wrapped up into one beautiful little package for peanuts. It's a package for peanuts. We're almost giving it away. But as I said, the price goes up with every single sale. So this is an absolute no-brainer, guys. If you've bought any of my PLR in the past, then this would be the perfect addition to your empire, your library, so that you've got more content ready to go and ready to sell. And that's the easiest way to make money online, is to become the vendor. And this is the easiest way to become the vendor because you don't have to create it. We've created it. We've spent all that time, effort and money putting this together, and you just come in and pick it up for $5 or just over. As I said, even if it got to $10, $15, it's still insane value because of what you get here. You got the posts, you got how to use them on Facebook to get monetized, you got how to sell them on Etsy, Standstore, Gumroad. So you've got everything that you need. Now, as always, I've got a beautiful Spoil You bonus bundle to make this even more attractive. I don't even think I need to bribe you on this one because it is such a good deal. You can't go wrong with PLR. That's how my entire business started, as you may well know. And so that's why I'm so passionate about PLR. And it's a great way for you to get ahead of the game. And you can do that very, very quickly with this package. So go ahead, guys, click on the link below this video as soon as you can, because the price goes up with every single sale. Make sure you're cookie to me. What you want to do is at the bottom on the checkout cart, on the checkout page, you're looking for referred by Trevor Carr. You'll see the vendor as Fergal Max Trev, but you need to see the affiliate as referred by Trevor Carr in order to get my bonus bundle, and that will be ready and waiting for you inside your JVZoo account. So once you make your purchase, all you need to do is log into your JVZoo account, you go to your profile, top right hand corner, go to your purchase history, and then click on viral Facebook posts, the products that you've just bought, and there you'll see the bonus access from me. So go ahead, get it now for the best price, and let's make some money. All the best.